Okay, y'all, here's my procedure for changing brake pads on one of our ZUGO 4-piston hydraulic brakes. This is a brand new one, so this piece, the little filler piece, won't be in here. All you're going to need is a 3mm and a very clean slotted screwdriver. Only time you really need this clean slotted screwdriver is to bring the pistons back out, especially on one you're replacing because they're worn. So when the brake wears, it pushes those pistons out and pushes these together a little more. So when you're putting your new pads in, you will need to space that back out so the rotor fits back in. Alright, so this is brand new, so I'm not worried about that right now. Okay, so you got your 3mm. All you're going to do is take this screw, screw out right there. It's got a little blue Loctite on it, so it doesn't actually vibrate out. Then your pads, you push right out the bottom. Okay. There's a spring in here. You take the spring out and push the other pad out. The reason it doesn't slide out very easy is because the brake adjuster, the adapter plate right here, the one that says 160 on it. So you're just pushing this out. They're a lot easier to get back in. Okay. So we just take that, and this spring in here, which did get stuck in there, we'll just slide it out. Okay. Now how these work, you don't want to touch the new pads. You try not to touch a rotor also. Okay. If you do, you could always put some like 98% or 91% alcohol on it. So this is exactly how the new pad will go back in. See the spring goes outside of the pad material onto the metal, and these to go back in are pretty easy. Just squeeze it together and slide it back in. Boom. Slide it back in. If you need to, take your clean screwdriver, just make sure that it's in place, and it is, and put your screw right back through it. Tighten it back down. Doesn't need to be monster tight because it's got Loctite on it. That's the procedure. That's all there is to it.